another video. In this video we're going to discuss about how you can resolve 404 error if you're getting in your website. So right now you can check, we have a URL and also we have a slug in the URL, but we getting the error 404. So how you can fix this problem? So let me know if you're facing this kind of issue, how you can sort it. First of all, I'm expecting you have a FTP access or file manager access, right? So I have right now the file manager, so I'm going to write down the root directory. So hope so you can check the public underscore html. Inside of the public underscore html we have all files which is related to WordPress only. So I'm going to open this file which is a .xt access file. Let me click on the edit button first of all, and once I clicked on the .st_access file, what I can do here, I have already the st_access file which is really working in my website. So I just pasted there, and also you can get this st_access file from the descriptions area. I will add my blog link there, right? And once you get this link and just click on the save button. Finally, let me check this is working or not. Click on this link. Now this is working properly. Initially we get 404, but now this thing is working properly. So this way you can sort your problem. And also if you're looking the good domain or hosting company, so you can check it out from the domaindasher.com, because in the domain dasher you will get the real cheap price and good hosting plan. The 50 started from the 59 rupees, and we have the here we have the multiple options to buy, to select any, as per our need. And also if you want to talk with technical support, also you can check with them. They will also guide you which plan you can buy as per your requirement. And also look here, the SSD plans we have, and free of cost SSL certificate and SEO tools. So a lot of features you will get from the domain dasher. And also this is my personal experience, I'm using from long time. This is really nice, and also price is better than as compared to any other service provider. So this is my review as about the domain dasher. If you want, you can buy from the domain dasher. And if you're getting any kind of issue in your website or any kind of problem, and you want to make anything from the tutorial something, just put your comment in below sections. Definitely I will try to create another video. Thank you for watching this video.